But we'll take care of that, Alan. We'll take care of that, you know, a little later today, or feel free to send me a DM and I'll get it to you. But yes, you are right. I think there is a more current link, and which I'm really disappointed in, because the initial one I created said it was non-expiring. I set it for non-expiring, but then for some reason at 60 people, it just stopped accepting people. So I don't know what happened. But yeah. Al Kathiri says hi from Oman. Nice. I don't think we've had many viewers from Oman, so nice to see you. I don't recognize your name, so I think you might be the first time joining us on the Sunday session, so welcome. I see that you're on Instagram. Feel free to switch over to YouTube if you're comfortable. That way you can kind of see the classroom view and all that, okay? Ahmad says, congrats on 2,000 subscribers on YouTube in advance. I appreciate that, Hamad. It's gonna be a little while still for 2,000, but thank you for that. I just crossed 1,000. Working my way up, right? You just got to keep at it. But you know what? I'm just having fun with this because I'm passionate about data science. Hopefully, I'm just letting all of the other stuff kind of follow behind, right? I'm just going to keep on doing the best I can to bring you my experience from, you know, my time in the trenches in data science, and hopefully good things will come, right? That's all we can do. Michael says Discord link not working. Yeah, you're right, Michael. We'll get that fixed. We'll get that fixed. Okay, looks like Joseph has published a new one, guys. So let's go ahead. So maybe you guys can try that one. If not, Joseph, I'll send you the latest one. I can't remember where I posted it. I should have sent it to you via private message. But yeah, but Joseph looks like he's generated a new one. Hey, Adela, let's try to not spam the chat, please. Okay. Well, first of all, today we're really not taking questions. I'm willing to take questions at the end because I'd rather get to the class materials, because I know that's why some people show up. But please, let's not try to spam the chat. If you post your message and it appears on your end, I guarantee you it's appeared on my end too. It just takes me a while to get to the questions. But please, you know, let's keep it professional and not repeat the questions. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to cover the class materials, and then we'll do questions at the end, because I'm almost positive that today's session is going to bring up more questions, right? So totally get it that some parts of today are going to be maybe just a little bit challenging, but I think that it's going to be fun. And today might be one of those sessions where you kind of have to, you know, take in the information, walk away from it, and then things will start to light up. But like I said, for me, chapter 5 was a huge like aha moment in my own, you know, like education cycle. So interesting topics says, can you tell me what is going on in brief? Just join now. Well, thank you so much for joining. I appreciate that you're spending some time with us. Essentially, we are going through Introduction to Statistical Learning, which is a great book for data science, for professional data science. Today is chapter 5.